presenting the KY8000 soundbar with dynamic surround sound system. In this video, you will find product features and connection details on how to connect the KY8000 to your TV. Introducing the KY8000 soundbar. This soundbar is designed to enhance your home theater audio experience. First, we will go over some of the product details, box contents, and we will be showing you on how to set up the soundbar to your TV by Bluetooth, auxiliary, HDMI and optical. This is the power button. You can short press the power button to turn on or long press for 2 seconds to power off. After the soundbar is turned on, you can switch between Bluetooth, HDMI, auxiliary, and optical mode by short pressing the power button. With the play/pause button, short press to play or pause song during Bluetooth mode. Volume up and volume down button allows you to increase or decrease volume or long press to previous or forward to the next song. On the back of the soundbar, you will find HDMI ARC, optical, auxiliary, and DC in power port. The KY8000 supports multiple audio formats and is plug and play. The soundbar remote allows you to switch between connection modes, play or pause, next or previous songs. If the volume is too low after connection, use the boost button to increase volume. Inside the box, you will find the KY8000 soundbar, 2 stand bases, a remote control, power adapter, an HDMI cable, 3.5mm auxiliary audio cable, optical cable. KY8000 supports multiple audio format. You can connect the soundbar by HDMI ARC, optical, 3.5mm auxiliary audio or 3.5mm auxiliary. First, insert the power adapter into the DC in port on the back of the soundbar. Next, plug the other end of the power adapter into an active power source. We recommend using a wall plug as a power source. Remove the plastic cap on both ends of the HDMI cable. Insert one end of the cable into the HDMI port located on the back of the soundbar. Next, insert the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI ARC port. HDMI works with HDMI ARC ports only. If your TV does not have HDMI ARC, use optical cable. After connection, go to your TV's sound setting and select HDMI ARC as your audio output. Next, find the digital sound out or digital audio format settings in your TV and select PCM or pass-through.
If there are no sound after following the HDMI connection instructions, go to your TV's settings and enable HDMI CC device control.
Remove the plastic cap on both ends of the optical cable. Insert one end of the cable into the optical port in the back of the soundbar. Next, insert the other end into your TV's optical port. After connection, go to your TV's sound setting and select optical as your audio output. Next, find the digital sound out or digital audio format settings in your TV and select PCM or pass-through. Insert one end of the 3.5mm auxiliary cable into the back of the sound bar and insert the other end into your TV's 3.5mm headphone port. Next, go into your TV's sound settings and set headset as your TV's speaker. Set soundbar to Bluetooth mode. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your device. Select KY8000 from the list of Bluetooth device.